Hello. Today, today, you went to work, you drank banana milk, even though you're lactose. Anyways, but yeah, you also sent me a picture of chicken nuggets, and literally I haven't been craving chicken nuggets like all week, but then once you sent me that picture, I started craving them again, so thank you very much. But honestly, like, I wouldn't normally tell people, like, other than my family, that I'm craving chicken. I mean, I never really craved meat, but I wouldn't tell anyone really. But yeah, I told you, so congratulations. I mean, that's just like, I guess, how comfortable I am with you, I guess you could say. So yeah, I don't know how this is an encouragement, but yeah. Okay, bye.